guys here just to inform you that we're going to be doing 2 moves today.
2 moves.
First, I thought it was just a 12-inch little sucker.
One move is a base length, so 16 inches forward, and the other move's like 5 bays over. Yeah, 6 bays.
5 bays. So
This rotary and that rotary down there.
and that includes eating lunch.
Includes eating lunch, yeah. And a couple of phone calls.
Scope of work per lift. We smashed it out in 3 hours.